Here's another in-depth guide to studio operations, this time the audio board. First step is to turn everything on, including the hotshot, the feedback, and the studio feedback. With the board now on, make sure it's in program. Then turn up the volumes for the audio booth and the control room. Then turn on all the inputs you need. The top row is on and the bottom row is off. In most cases, you'll use microphone 7 and 8, the Key Pro 2, the iPod, and hotshot. Then press program for each of these inputs. All 5 of them. If the input you need is on B, press the button to light it up, such as Key Pro 2 and the iPod. Then push the fader up to bring audio into the program. Then look at the levels using the program monitor. They should go up and down, but do not let them clip. Clipping is when it goes into the far right side of the program monitor. Do not let that happen. That is a big no-no in terms of audio board. This right here, that's a good level. Try to stay there when you're doing your audio. Any further instructions will come from the director. And that's been another Guide to Studio Operations.